Assalamu alaikum and good morning, doctor. My name is Muhammad Faisal and I am from Group 5. And today we're going to present our group assignment. So, I will talk about BYD. BYD is Build Your Dreams, and also is a Chinese automotive company that has risen to prominence as a leader in electric vehicles, renewable energy technologies, and innovative solutions for sustainable transportation. In the year of 1995, BYD was founded as a battery manufacturer by Wang Chuanfu in Shenzhen, China. Wang Chuanfu is the founder and also the first chairman of BYD company. The company initially specialized in rechargeable batteries, particularly for mobile phones and other portable electronics. In the year of 2003, BYD entered the automotive industry by acquiring Xi'an Sichuan Auto Company Limited, a struggling Chinese car maker. This marked as the birth of BYD Auto as a subsidiary of BYD Company Limited. So next, I would like to talk about the type of products or services that produces by BYD. So first, they produce passenger vehicle, which consists of electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle. Now, second is commercial vehicle, where they produce electric buses, electric trucks, and electric vans. Third is batteries. They produce blade battery. And fourth, they have their own rail transit system, where they have two type of rail transit system, which is Sky Rails, Sky Shuttle, and the last one is they use renewable energy technologies to create solar panels. Next is the firm specific resources and capabilities. So first is they have their own exclusive battery technology, which is known as blade battery. It is renowned for its good durability, good safety, and efficiency in technologies. Next, they have their own research and development expertise, where they focus in innovations to produce cutting edge technology products. Next is the renewable energy integration. So uh, ex- actually, BYD harness the renewable energy to produce solar panels. And the last one is global manufacturing and market reach, where BYD has established a strong global presence through strategically located manufacturing facilities and has a diversified market approach.
Today, we will explore how BYD, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, is entering the Italian and Hungarian markets. In Hungary, BYD is focusing on building a factory right there. This will help them avoid paying extra taxes on cars imported from China, reduce production costs, and become more competitive in the European market. They are also partnering with local companies to quickly reach customers and build brand awareness. In Italy, BYD is taking a different approach. They are selling cars directly to customers through their own websites and showrooms, giving them more control over how customers experience the brand. They might also partner with some existing Italian car dealerships to expand their reach. To succeed in Italy, BYD needs a strong marketing strategy that appeals to Italian customers, highlighting the quality, sustainability, and innovative technology of their electric vehicle. Next, we will discuss some of the challenges BYD faces as it tries to enter the Italian and Hungarian markets. First, let's talk about regulation and taxes. In Italy, the European Union has placed high taxes on electric vehicles imported from China. This makes BYD cars more expensive, making it harder to compete with cars made in Europe. However, Hungary has a more welcoming environment for Chinese companies like BYD. They have lower taxes and actively encourage Chinese investment. Next, we have to consider the competition. In Italy, the car market is dominated by well-established brands like Fiat and Stellantis. These companies have strong brand loyalty and extensive dealers network, making it difficult for a new company like BYD to gain market share. In Hungary, while there is competition, there is also a growing acceptance of Chinese brands. This gives BYD a slight advantage. Geopolitical tension between China and some European countries like Italy can also create challenges. This tension can make it harder for BYD to market its brand effectively in Italy, and it may even lead to negative public opinion. In Hungary, while while the government is generally supportive of Chinese investment, there may be some concerns from other European countries about Hungary's close ties with China. Finally, we need to look at infrastructure and government support. Italy has been working to attract foreign investment in its automotive sector, but its current infrastructure may not be able to support rapid growth. The Italian government also has not provided as much support specifically for Chinese manufacturers like BYD. In contrast, Hungary has invested heavily in infrastructure to support Chinese investment, including building the necessary facilities for BYD infrastructure or factory. They also provide significant support to help these companies operate efficiently.
Hello everyone, so I'll be talking about market entry strategies and analysis. First of all, country analysis. The electric vehicles market in Hungary is growing, driven by strong government support through incentives like tax relief and subsidies aimed at reducing carbon dioxide emissions. By 2025, passenger electric vehicles registrations are expected to rise to 14.7%. This growth is driven by increasing environmental awareness and consumer demand for green alternatives. BYD is entering the Hungarian market with a manufacturing plant set to produce up to 200,000 battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles annually, taking advantage of local production benefits. While charging infrastructure is expanding, with over 4,000 stations expected by September 2024, further investment is needed to ensure long-term success in electric vehicles adoption. Electric vehicle adoption in Italy is gradually rising, driven by government incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and exemptions on regional charges. These initiatives aim to reduce the cost barrier and encourage cleaner, low-emission vehicles. However, despite these efforts, Italy's electric vehicle uptake is still below the European Union average, with electric cars making up only 4% of new registrations in 2023. Key challenges include limited charging infrastructure, especially in rural areas, and consumer reluctance due to concerns over range and availability. Companies like BYD see potential with growth in market share and affordable models that cater to Italian drivers, gradually shifting them toward fully electric vehicles. Next, I will be talking about customer analysis or profiling. In Hungary, BYD should focus on attracting both private car buyers who are seeking affordable electric vehicles and fleet buyers who are looking for green solutions. With an expanding middle class and increasing environmental awareness, there's a growing demand for cost-effective, eco-friendly vehicles supported by government subsidies and tax exemptions. The rising popularity of Chinese-made electric vehicles shows that price is a key factor for Hungarian consumers. Local manufacturing of BYD vehicles can offer shorter delivery times and lower costs thanks to reduced import tariffs. By launching awareness campaigns and collaborating with local governments, BYD can increase its market presence and promote the benefits of electric mobility. BYD should target urban Italian consumers with higher disposable incomes, particularly in Milan and Rome, who value eco-friendly technology and can benefit from government incentives. Given the popularity of hybrids, BYD should focus on both plug-in hybrid electric vehicles and battery electric vehicles to address concerns over charging and range. By promoting available subsidies and financing and using local dealerships and exhibitions to build brand familiarity, BYD can position itself as a key player in Italy's green automotive transition. Public awareness campaigns should highlight the environmental and financial benefits of electric vehicles.
I will explain about solution to discuss any challenges, controversies, and problems faced by the BYD. So first, we're gonna see for the regulatory environment and tariff. Italy support the European Union action to slide on tariffs Chinese electric cars. These tariffs have the potential to raise BYD car price and reduce the competitiveness. Meanwhile, it's against these levies and it's more welcoming to Chinese investor as well. So next is gonna be for the market competition. It is challenging for BYD to break into the Italian and Hungarian market because the competition was so hard, especially for well-known European companies like um, Fiat and Stellantis. So for the BYD to break into the Italian and Hungarian market is quite hard for them. So if the solution for that is like they need to have a strong distribution network and a high level brand of loyalties to enter the Italian and Hungarian market. So next is brand recognition and consumer preference. In Italy, EV adoption is muchly increasing, but hybrid vehicles are still preferred due to charging recommendation and range limitation. As we know, EV is an electric vehicle, so to start the car, they need to be recharging and the car will move. So in Hungary, EV acceptance is growing only among younger generation and environmentally affect consumers. So local manufacturing can help BYD reduce the cost and improve their delivery times and making it more product appealing and suits the environment. Example like maybe on that place we can improve the infrastructure for charging infrastructure in any kind of station to EV cars. Next, BYD should enhance its brand recognition by participating in European automotive exhibitions, sponsoring local events, collaborating with influencers or any famous artists to promote their their BYD branding. By doing that, it can help promote BYD more, and BYD should concentrate on enhancing operational efficiency and reducing its reliance on government subsidies by introducing cost-effective on technologies. So next is controversy over government subsidies. BYDs have been criticized for disrupting Chinese government subsidies for electric vehicles and renewable energy, giving it unfair advantage over international competitors. As these subsidies are phased out, BYD must maintain profitability through innovation and cost control, while also developing a sustainable business model for global competition, as well as connection have arisen between China and other nations as a result of its excessive reliance on government subsidies. So next gonna be ethical and sustainability issue. BYD is known for its ethical and sustainable supply chain management, particularly in the mining and processing of materials for EV batteries. Reports also highlight concern about working conditions, long hours, and workplace safety. By addressing this issue and improving transparency is crucial for BYD image as a green technology leader, resolving sustainability and ethical concern solution to guarantee ethical material procurement.
I will be discussing the most suitable market for BYD to target in Europe, with a focus on Hungary versus Italy. Based on factors that I will go through after this, I recommend that BYD prioritize Hungary as its entry point into the European market. Let me explain why. First, regulatory environment. Hungary stands out due to its open support for Chinese investment, which gave BYD a significant cost advantage. Unlike other European countries, Hungary has fewer barriers, allowing BYD to avoid tariffs that might increase costs in countries like Italy. This makes Hungary a more attractive option for BYD to establish its presence in Europe. Second, local manufacturing environment. Hungary automotive industry is well developed with top European car manufacturers already setting up production there. This makes it an ideal location for BYD to set up its manufacturing facility. By producing locally, BYD can eliminate import tariff, reduce logistic costs, and ensure quicker delivery to European customers. And the last one is growing EV market. The electric vehicle market in Hungary is expanding rapidly thanks to strong government incentive and growing infrastructures, including charging stations. With an expected market growth of nearly 100% by 2029, Hungary provides a perfect opportunity for BYD to tap into the rising demand for eco-friendly vehicles. In summary, Hungary offers an ideal environment for BYD, with strong government support and a growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles. This makes it a prime location for the brand to establish itself in Europe. Italy, on the other hand, poses challenges with fierce competition and a preference for hybrids, though there is potential for growth. While Hungary aligns perfectly with BYD sustainability goals, entering Italy will require a more strategic approach focusing on education and strong marketing. Success in Hungary will be key to expanding BYD's presence across Europe. That's all from us. Thank you.